Just let me share my screen. Yeah, I guess thanks for joining. Good morning. Let me know if you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's visible.
Thank you. So today we'll be talking about the creating a personal developer instance. Okay. So as I have discussed in the demo session, that ServiceNow have provided a free PDA with everyone that we will be using this space PDA person developer instance, that is personal developer instance. So where we'll be using this person developer instance and practicing the ServiceNow, and we'll be going through the modules that are there in ServiceNow. Let me log out from here first. I'll show you that how it looks when you just simply type this developer.servicenow.com. So I've mentioned in the demo session also that, so if you wanted to access the person developer instance, you need to just simply type this developer.servicenow.com URL in the instance and in the browser. Okay, in the browser URL. So where you would be landing here, and once you click on this, you need to click on this sign in, or you can just click on this get started. Let's see that it's going to the website. So you simply click on this sign in. Okay. So where you will be asking for get instance. And let me go back here because I already have the account. So it's just populating my email address, but usually it will ask for new user. Okay. So simply you have to provide this email address, first name, last name, country, and state details. And you can create a password or confirm a password once you're done with the verification, right? Robot verification. So once you click on this sign in, okay, or sign up, you'll be getting some URL to your email address. You need to validate that. So once you validate it, you'll be redirecting to this URL. So you simply click on the developer.servicenow.com. Um, email ID will be there for you. You'll be clicking on next. Okay. And you'll be giving the password, whatever you have created password when you are creating the your account. That same password you need to provide. You can simply click on this sign in. Okay. So there you will be landing here, and in the right side, already I have an instance, or maybe I have used this email ID for my PDI. So I'm getting this start building, but for you, you will get a like request instance button here. Okay, request instance button here. So where you will be requesting an instance, when you click on that, right, you will get the versions of service now that, okay, currently we are in Zurich, as I have discussed in the demo session, that we have releases, we have versions in service now. Okay, so where you would be selecting the Zurich version, okay, or Zurich release in the pop-up. Once you click on that, right, you will be asking for building an instance. Once you click on that, right, an instance will be created in couple of minutes. Okay, there you will have the options of manage my instance or start building your instance. Okay, okay. When you click on this start building, right, you will be just moving to another page with this validation. For me, it's getting for validating your my identity. Okay, but for you, it won't get. If you're getting that validation, let me know. I can help you with the validating the your account. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I have logged into my instance. This is how the instance will look. Okay. So so this is all about ServiceNow instance. So so once you log in, you will click on this. You have options to create studio. From here, you can just create a studio. That means you can just create applications. So I'll go through that. I mean, in detail later. So just feel that this is your instance. Okay, this is how it looks. When you scroll down, you can just see the options of add code to low code apps, and this is widgets you would be getting here. And when you click on this all, right, you will be able to see all the modules, okay, that is provided by ServiceNow. You just need to just type incident, simple, so that you can able to see the incidents or not. You just simply click on this open this incidents in a new tab, or you can simply click on there. Okay. So we have talked about the incidents, right? So just wanted to you to show you that how incidents will look in ServiceNow. This is how it looks in ServiceNow. Okay. Just open the instance and check. That's it for now. Let me go back here. So you can see this all the options that favorites, history, workspace, admin in your instance. And in the right side, you can see the profile. Okay. That whatever the profile you have it within your name, you can see that. And let me come back to this the page where you have this ServiceNow developer.servicenow.com page. Let me explore here what are options which we have here. So let me come to the right side. In the home, under the home, you can see this manage my instance. Okay. You can see this ID. Okay. This is account or ID which was given by ServiceNow for you, only for you. Okay. This ID or account won't be utilized by anyone. Still, you utilize it. For every 10 days, your account will be refreshed, okay, or maybe invalidated. So within 10 days, you need to log in and refresh your account. Here, you can just see that the option called that uh, hibernate. When you click on that, your instance will be woke up, and you can able to access this instance longer time. Okay. And this is a URL how it looks. Dev218721. This is account, right? HTTPS colon slash slash dev218721 dot servicenow dash now.com. So this is a URL to access your ServiceNow instance. And you can see this user ID is admin, which was provided by ServiceNow by default. This is a password, alphanumeric password provided by ServiceNow. And you can see the user role is admin. You are an admin for your instance. Okay. Generally, we have three roles in ServiceNow. That is admin. Okay. You have the role of admin, ITL user, and also the end user. These are the major three roles in ServiceNow. Okay. As an admin, you can be an admin, and also you would be working as a developer. You would be having same roles, that is admin roles. Okay. And coming to the manage instance, under manage instance, you can see the status of this your instance is online. You can see this, refresh it. You can, whenever you wanted to refresh your instance, you can just refresh it, because sometimes you can see there will be a hang on your instance. Okay, there will be slowness on your instance. You can simply click on this new refresh. Okay, so that your instance will be refreshed. And you can see this option like build agent installed. You can see you can just you can build the agent. That means you can just build the apps. ServiceNow Studio, it is for apps completely. And also you can just create app engine. So we can just create apps and publish it. Okay, in the like in the stores. And you can see this current version is Zurich, as we have discussed in the demo session, that ServiceNow have started their versions names with alphabetical order. So till now, from A to Z, we have Zurich. Okay. Um, Previous version was Yokohama. So that was a previous release. Now Z is Zurich. So that is a latest release. And you can see this upgrade releases. You can see this patch 3. So this is how it looks. So see, I've told you that. So when you open this instance, you'll get some request instance option here, or maybe the button here in the right side. The way I'm able to see this start building, right? You can see this request instance in the right side when you log into the instance. Okay, when you log in with your credentials for the first time. Okay, so later that you will just get this pop-up to select the instances. You would have this Zurich, Yokohama, and other release name. You need to select this Zurich patch 3. Okay, because patch 3 means it's a patch. Usually we have in for our mobiles also in iOS or Android we have releases which patches, right? That right now we have around 20.60 or 26 point some 01 or 02 for the iOS, right? And for the in Android, I don't know. There could be releases and with the patches. The same way we have a patches and releases. So in every patch there could be a kind of bugs we would ServiceNow will be fixing, and every release there is a features that will be ServiceNow will be add on. Okay, so that is about the releases and also the versions. Okay, coming to the useful links, you can just talk about, you can just uh, explore about the PDI, person developer instance guide. Okay, so we will talk about the what is this personal developer instance. Okay, and so understanding the PDI, obtaining a PDI instance. Okay, so we will be talking about this managing plugins and everything. So they'll be giving you some content, so you can go through that entirely. So the same thing will be there here only. Okay, let me click on this again. He's asking us to understand the PDA. Okay, so this is whatever I talked, right? Manage instance URL, useful links, and status. So what I've talked about, right? So I talked about hibernation, that if you're not using the instance for longer time or ideal, so the instance will be hibernated. You need to just click on that up, and you need to make it up and running before 10 days. Okay. So you can see this, what is a release and what release you need to select. Every in detail information that was provided in the PDI guide. So you just go through that. So this is how it looks. What I told you, like, when you select a instance, you just click on this latest release and click on this request, so that you will get a instance. So you just
Sorry, Madhav, not able to hear you.
you lost just a minute. Hello.
Yeah, Madhav.
When did you lost my voice? When did you lost my voice?
1 minute it's.
Just only 1 minute.
It's been a minute, right? Okay, okay, let me share my screen again. Sorry, guys. You're able to hear me, right? Till up to
Yes.
Yes, yes.
you have what you have listened. Like, I mean,
Yeah,
what was the
PDI.
last?
Yeah, this PDI screen just before only, just like
Just now only, right?
at
So
yes.
yes. So we would be just talking about the accessing the PDA. So where you would be accessing the PDA. This is how it looks, and you can just manage the PDA. Okay. Okay, you can check the, you can go to the this document. You can just get in detail information. Okay, they are provided with screenshots. Okay, because we'll be talking about this managing the email properties and resetting the instance password, email address, login, enabling the PDA, and releasing the PDA if it doesn't want it. So they have provided in detail information. Just go through this documentation, because instead of I tell you, so if you go through this, right, you will understand better with some good content. Okay. Okay, this is about the guide. Okay, let me go come back to this home again. Let me go to this, anyways, the same thing. Okay, yeah. So this is about the manage my instance. Okay, you can see the plugins, what all have been installed. Okay, you can also install new plugins. We'll talk about the plugins, but I just request you to go to the PDI guide, so that you'll just get understand very good understanding that. So what is there in the PDI? okay, with in detail information. So when you click on this manage PDI, right? So the same thing which I've showed you, managing the PDI, how you would manage the PDI, and also the activated plugins which are there. And you can just see this managed email address, releasing your PDI, changing your PDI user role, remove demo data, this and all you can just explore it, because this is a first class for you. So just to go to the recordings after this and explore the things, okay? And when you click on this user account, right, you can see this user. When you click on this account, right, you can see this your account name. My account name is ServiceNow created with some email address. When you click on this manage profile, right, you can see this details, that ID and password and user roles and responsibilities that I've provided when I've tried to log in. Okay, yeah. Now when you click on this learn, right, you'll go to, I will just click on this learn overview. We have these three options: learn overview, learning plans, and courses. Let me click on this learn overview. What is it? Let's see that. Okay, in that you have learning plans and courses. Let me click on this learning plans that work. So if you wanted to just grow your skills, our learning plans and teachers teach you how to build apps that tackle your enterprise business needs. Let me click on this learning plan. What is there in learning plan? Let's see and explore. So you can see this new to ServiceNow. You can go and explore it, and ServiceNow administrator courses that will be there, and develop application developer courses will be there. You can just see and explore it. And when you click on these courses, you can browse these courses. Okay, let me click on the courses. Choose a course to grow a skill. Okay, so you can have this building your app engine that was provided by a course by ServiceNow, and also create an app from scratch with the App Engine Studio, which is one course which is provided by ServiceNow by default. You can just go and explore it, and we can see this build the need app application. Okay, just to explore that. So as of now, you don't touch this. I'll just teach you. Don't go to the courses. Okay, as of now, just try to explore it. That's all. But don't go to the courses. I just recommend you that, because if you go to the courses, you just move forward. You don't know the basic. You will just missing the basics, and you will be confused. Okay, just explore what I'm trying to tell you. Just explore that. Just keep as it is. Okay. Coming to this references, so you can see this, click on this reference overview, and you can see this resources for every developer. So these are the resources that every developer go through it. Okay. Develop and style our application with confidence. Refer to the now platform APIs for information how to add, contribute, and properties, or browse the gallery for next experience components, and see how you can customize your UI. So when you click on this references, right, you can see the APIs. So what is an API here in ServiceNow? API is an application programming interface. So where you would be using these classes and methods of the APIs. Okay, that means when you click on this client, right, so you have client side APIs, and client side APIs, and server scope APIs, and server global level APIs. So how you would be interacting with the database using the APIs. So ServiceNow provides client side JavaScript APIs, allowing all of you to control aspect of how ServiceNow is displayed and function with the web browser. That means, like, how you are interacting with the browser, how you are interacting with the database. So that will be when you are interacting the service now within the browser, within the form, that you will be using client side APIs. Okay, and when you are interacting with the database, you will be using the server side APIs. So we'll keep this APIs topic apart as of now, because I want you to just focus on the creating PDA and just export the PDA, that what is there in the PDA as of now. Okay, and simply guide is that, so it will just give that what is ServiceNow platform guide, and application developer guide introduction, and creating a developer site account, and manage your user role, and manage your profile. This is all about the guide that will be providing for us. Okay, as of now. And coming to this developer advocate blog, you can just see that what all developers are talking about. Okay, these are the known and famous developers from ServiceNow community. They'll be talking about random things, the development which is happening, or maybe the questions people might ask, or maybe the experiments they'll be doing, or maybe things which are they have sorted out, just like the other communities will be there, like Salesforce community. Okay, the same way we have this ServiceNow community. So where developers, advocates will be talking about, and they'll be releasing their blogs every time when they find new things in ServiceNow. Okay, and also you can see this share option where you will be seeing the apps, where the apps have been downloaded mostly, what all apps they have published, and what all apps recently they have most downloaded, high rated. Okay, you can explore that. And also we have a categories, okay, that so whatever they have uploaded the new content or application, so we have the categories like integration. Let's talk about integration. So we have apps which the people have worked on integration, like Gemini AI for ServiceNow integration. And also you have a lot of models in ServiceNow. As I told you, like we have products in ServiceNow like customer service management, ITOM, that is IT operation management, IT service management, IT business management. Okay, this is the products of ServiceNow. Okay, so we'll be dealing about the IT service management only, because this is something vast. We need to be focused. Okay, this is very foundation for ServiceNow, so you need to focus on that. Let me click on this events. So in the events, you can see this what all events that are happening in India, or virtually or in person in events. Okay, in the coming days, or meetups or webinars or office hours, like webinars will be usually happening. And so you will be providing some detailed information on that in the coming days, in progress of upcoming events or past 60 days events or on demand events. You can just explore that, because ServiceNow will be conducting events or workshops in a now and then for every quarterly once, or um, half yearly once. So ServiceNow will be conducting meetups in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, known cities in India. Okay, you can just go and join there if you're interested. Okay, yeah. And let me go back here. So yeah, let me click on this home. Let me click on this manage. And so this is all about that. And this is products and learning, community. Yeah. So in the learning, you can see this community on it. Okay. So simply click on this visit community. Okay. As I told you, like, if you want to grow your social network in ServiceNow, right, you can utilize the ServiceNow community, and also the events. You can participate in events. So you will be interacting with the people. You will be in the community. So you'll get a lot of networks whenever you attend the events. And welcome to the community of ServiceNow. So this is where everyone in the whoever people are working in ServiceNow, they'll be posting their questions. Okay, their questions here, so that any question, whatever it could be. So in real time, they'll be working on a lot of use cases, a lot of issues and problems, right? So if they're stuck anywhere, if they're not getting anything, even the basic thing also, they'll just post here, so that people from like people you're starting, or you have started your career, or maybe who have expertise in other modules also, they'll be keep on coming posting here with the questions or queries. So around you can see around 9,30,000 people are there in the community, and 12,000 people are still in online. And you can see around 29 lakhs 14,000 have been posted. They have posted, and they have answered the questions. Okay, you can see the community highlights and the events, and also discover community that. So how many communities are there here? You can send community central, community hubs, community events, user groups, and all. You can just try to explore this community page. So popular post that. So this is a one of the popular posts. Let me click on this. Okay. So they talked about there's any way to view sprint that are closed in agile model. So this is a question that they people are working on the agile model. So that will be there in service now. Okay. And community activities you can see and explore it. And you can see this top solution authors that who have provided top solutions to the questions. So they'll be rating with the points. So you can also just join here once you get all the things dirty. I mean, when you are able to expertise in service now, right? So we can just go and join here. You just answer questions, answer the questions, or maybe the queries the people are posting in the community. Will be the points and will be rated with the MVPs and all. Okay, after this, no. So you can just join this community to grow your social network in service now. Okay, and you can see this industry wise. We are in consumer packaged goods industry. We are in health industry. We are in insurance industry. We are in life sciences, manufacturing, non-profit, national government, retail, technology provider, telecom. Everywhere service now used. Okay. So this is this is why the reason everyone is choosing ServiceNow as a career for the next 10 years. They're choosing ServiceNow career for the next 10 years. That is very damn sure. This because this is how ServiceNow is going like anything. This is ocean completely. Okay. So we can see this customer support as you doesn't require as of now, but uh, as we have the documentation for every platform. So we have the documentation site for the service now. It's just redirecting to our account. So you can see this which are the featured products that ServiceNow has released. So we can see this account payable operation, HR service delivery, IT operations, HR IT service management. So we just can go and explore the documentation part, and you can see this release notes and upgrades. So we have a recent release that I have told you that. Uh, so our Zurich release, our Zurich version was released on July 2025. Previous to that, Yokohama released on Jan. As I told, like every 6 months, a version will be released. Okay. Previous to that, there is a release on August, that is Zanado. On February 2024, we have a Washington DC release, and also the quarterly store as needed, and other things are there. Okay. So we can just simply go through this. That's it. Like just simply go on high level, click on this service management thing. So what is there in service IT service management? So we can see this. You can see the content on the release wise. Okay. In the previous release, what was the content was there and what content have been improved on the Yokohama, or sorry, on the Zurich version. You can see updated on 31st July. Okay. It's a 5 minutes read content. You can just go and explore it. Okay. If you're interested to read the documentation. This is keep on improving and keep on adding the content from the content developers from the ServiceNow end. Okay, the same content won't be there for longer time. They keep on enhancing the content wise also. There's a lot of big team will be there with ServiceNow itself. They'll be working on content. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about the creating a PDI, exploring the PDI, the features and options, and provided by ServiceNow. So I just wanted to show you today. Okay. Try to just create a PDI today itself so that you will just get good time to explore the PDI. Okay, if you have any questions or maybe if you're facing any issues while creating a PDI, getting the account, please let me know. I'll help you in that. Okay. Any questions? Any questions, Charan, Kanakaraju?
Uh, no questions, Madhav. Like you said, we'll try to go through the documents and
Mm. Charan? Yeah, Charan, speak up. Okay. Rashmi?
No questions.
Soumya?
Yeah, Madhav. I created account using my email ID, but I didn't get a PDA as you got like the URL, everything.
Can you share your screen if it is okay?
No, actually, I'm using mobile for the class and I use laptop to open account.
Okay, okay. Just let me know tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
If you're able to share
okay.
it, let me know. So let's see that. What about you, Varma?
Yeah, I'm good, Madam.
No questions, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Fine, then if you doesn't have any questions, okay, we can just wrap up this class for today. Can I share my screen now so that I can, yeah, please, yeah, speak up, Charan, first. Okay. Unmute yourself and speak up.
Madhav, can I share screen?
Yeah, go ahead, please. Just let me make you as host. Yep.
Let me know if it's
Yes. Hello. Hello.
this one, right?
No, developer.service. Yes, that one. No. This is no. This is all about sales. Okay, just go back. Go back. Go back. On the screen.
Sorry.
Sign in. Sign in. You have option of sign in, right? Click on new. Yeah. Now here try to create a account. Click on sign in. Yeah, sign up, sign up. So a solution ID created. Okay, please, the email will be validated. Don't send email after 10 minutes. Just log into your email address. It will take some time, I think.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, click on
You
the
click on
verify email. Yeah, your email ID has been verified. Yes, give the password. Just click on yes. Click on developer or IT admin or say any option.
that's it. Right.
Click on the request instance. Click on Zurich. No. Hold on. Just click on there. So you will be getting an option to request instance. Go to the
No,
previous
after
page.
clicking it, open new page.
No, hold on, Charan. Go to the previous page. Yeah, now request instance. Yeah, your instance will be created. Okay, in some time.
Okay,
Okay, yeah. Anything apart from this?
that's it. I can close this page. Is it?
Yeah, I mean, you can close it. That's the documentation part.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So just follow this, that whatever Charan has done today. So just follow this and create a PDI for yourself. Okay. If it doesn't have any questions, we can wrap up the session for today.
Okay,
Okay,
Madhu.
Okay.
Madam. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining.